If you're struggling to find more topics to talk to your own animals, then this tarot card technique can help you. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect with animals and nature around me. Animal communication is extremely intangible, and that can often come in the way of us clearly understanding what the animal wishes to share with us. A lot of us communicators struggle with the self-doubt and the intangibility of communication. So, in these cases, our tarot cards can help us bring more tangibility to it because we can see the visuals and interpret them according to our understanding of the cards, but there is some kind of physical and visual cue that we can follow. So if you are someone who is familiar with tarot, even with the basics, you can definitely integrate it into your practice of animal communication. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple way to know more topics to talk about with your animals if you're just into practicing animal communication, because sometimes we may feel a little blocked and not understand what questions to ask our animals or what topics to discuss. So like always, take your cards, cleanse them and charge them. Once you have done so, lay out just one card. This way you can keep it structured, and of course if you want to discuss more topics you can bring up more cards later, but in the beginning we'll ensure that we'll just lay out a single card and put the card. As you shuffle the card, you ask your cards clearly, what is it that my animal wishes to talk about or discuss with me? What would be a good topic to discuss with my animal? So shuffle your cards with that intention and lay out a single card. And whatever the card depicts, shares with you, will be the broader topic of discussion. This is an excellent technique to dig deeper into your animal's understanding, the guidance the animal wants to give you. So for example, let's take the example that you have pulled out an Ace of Wands. So Ace of Wands is the card of new beginnings and something that we are passionate about, something that really drives us. So the good topic to discuss with our animal would be their drives. What is it that they love to do? What are their passions? Is there something that they would like to start? If there's something that they are looking forward to in terms of a new beginning. So that is how you get an array of questions to ask your animals with an intention of understanding them better. So remember that when we are asking questions to them, we don't want it to be interrogative. We don't want it to, just seem like a very superficial question answer session. The intention is to know them better, also to gain guidance from them. So whatever is the broader topic the card is sharing, that's what we can ask questions about. And because we are taking the broader topic, it gives us a lot of space to include things that we might want to. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have done this, if you have ever felt blocked in your communication journey and used tarot cards to help you with it, please do mention it in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye-bye.